And here we have a galvanometer. We have a roll of what's called magnet wire, just a thin wire in a coil. I'm not sure what the length of the wire is. It's marked in the package, but it isn't real important right here. Okay. Now, magnet. Notice when I move the magnet in the vicinity of this coil, the needle jumps around. Okay, the changing magnetic field in the vicinity of this coil has an effect. Now if I turn the magnet to the side, we still get an effect, but not as much as if we have the magnet turned this way. Okay, the electric or the magnetic field comes out the ends of the magnet. If I move the magnet very slowly in here, we see that no way to move it so slowly that nothing happens. But if I move it away fast, you see, I move it in fast, there's a much larger deflection. Okay, if I move it away at a slow rate, move it away slowly enough, it'll barely deflect. And if I hold it still, if I stop moving it, it'll go back down to zero. When it's just sitting there, it doesn't do anything. So we got this, we got this. Now I'm putting an iron core in here. This piece of iron, it's magnetic. Let's just see what happens when I put the iron core in there. Well, look at that. Okay, much greater deflections. Okay, now this galvanometer, as we've seen, has a very, very low resistance, very high sensitivity. So just about any current that goes through here gets through the galvanometer. The coil has a very, very low resistance in that galvanometer. All you have to measure this effect with, or to observe this effect with, is your ammeter, your multimeter. You're not going to get much effect in the voltmeter setting because the voltmeter is the high resistance setting. You need to put it on the 200 milliamp scale and then take the iron core, any kind of magnetic metal, steel, iron, works pretty well. Some work better than others. And you get this effect. If you put an aluminum core in, and unfortunately I can't give you one of those, I don't have one, aluminum's not magnetic. It has no effect on the magnetic field, or not a very big one, so that you see that there won't be much of an effect here. I don't even have an aluminum core that I can put into this thing myself. In a minute we'll observe this on the oscilloscope and get just a little bit of data.